Yes, you. I know that you're an entrepreneur. Come over here, come to our channel and have additional information and strategies to grow your business even faster. Hello my dear friends, my name is Anthony and I'm here to help you create bigger and more profitable business. Today's topic is passive income. Many of you ask, what is passive income? How can you create one? And does it really exist? Well, the answer is yes and no. Basically, there is no such thing as passive income. Because in any case, you have to create something to get money for it. You can't just use a couple of hours of your life, create something and then get money from it for the whole eternity. No, it doesn't work this way. Basically, to create a flow of income, you should create something. You can create a YouTube channel. You can continue growing your channel and at some point you will get income. And even when you don't work, you will still get your income. However, if you won't continue growing your channel, it will die. So that's not really passive income. Another option is creating some kind of course and then selling it. However, the same principle applies. You have to use a lot of time to create a great course and then to sell it online. All this is time consuming, so it's not passive. Then you will have some time of kind of passive income and you will be able to get money even without directly working on your project. However, it will stop. It will stop at some point when your course or your information is no longer relevant. So you will have to work to update this information. Another option is real estate. It's the closest to a passive income because when you have multiple properties and you rent them, each property will bring you money passively. And this one is really passive. However, to buy a property, you will need money. So to create a passive income of real estate, you will have to put in a huge amount of money that you somehow have to earn. So there is no such thing as totally passive income. Sure, there are some gamers out there who play their games and earn money from it. However, they still have to be better. They have to improve and they're wasting their time for creating content for you. So if you look at a business model, there is no such model that creates passive income. Maybe, if we're talking about network marketing, the one who thought about the idea and then created his network, he might create a passive income, but anyway, he had to create the first product. So stop chasing the dream of passive income and create your own business. Subscribe to this channel and you will be able to create your own business from scratch. If you're interested in other business tips, strategies and general information, join our family in our journey to success. Thank you for sticking around and see you in the next one.